PVC pipe building fans. Dennis here. Hey, it's hunting season, and my wife had been gun hunting out of a ground blind with basically a stick as a gun prop. Stick it in the ground and lay your gun on there. You know, we bought a couple different monopods in the past, and they didn't hold up, they didn't work, or they broke. So this stick was working for her. And looking at this stick, I thought, you know, I can probably make something better than that out of PVC pipe. So I made this out of 3/4 inch Schedule 40 gray pipe. Put a 1-inch joiner so it's compact. I cut the end down at an angle, then rolled it in to make like a spike. So made this at the same height she'd been using in the ground blind, so she can stick it in the ground and have it at the right height. But then decided, well, let's make it adjustable, so if you wanted to use it standing up, you could also. So basically made some extra sections, put in it like so. So you can make it taller for standing up. So made this. The top here, basically cut the pipe in half. This top 4 inches or so. Heat it up, rolled it, bend it out, rolled it together, and then just shoved some 5/8 heater hose over it. So there's that one. Made that one. Now, also had another design in mind. I'll show you this other one. Also, monopod gun rest made out of PVC pipe. A little different though. This one, the top, okay, I've got a piece of 1/2 inch Schedule 40 gray pipe with the fat end where it comes, drilled some holes in it, 1/4 inch holes, put heat shrink in a couple places to help it fit tighter so it won't rattle. And then this is also 1/2 inch Schedule 40 again, cut in half, rolled it, put some heater hose over it, stick that in, and you can adjust it, turn it. This is 1 inch Schedule 40 with a hole cut in here. So adjust it with this pin. Either for sitting down or all the way up, standing, and then all your increments in between. So there's that. Now the end here, I made it with the pointy end, where on this one I cut three V triangle pieces out. Sorry about the light here, man. That's terrible. Let's see if I get the light down. On the end, I cut 3 triangle V's out, and then heated up and squeezed it together to make the point. You see that? But then my wife said, how about, since she's in her ground blind, looking at multiple trails, one out of this window, one in front of her, and then the woods on her right. So she needs to be able to move this or have, 3 different ones. So she said, how about if it had a stirrup attached to the bottom so she could have her foot in there. And she has a swivel chair, so when she wanted to turn, she would just lift her foot up and turn. Lift her foot up and turn. So that's what I did. I made a stirrup. Used the same basic design from Nick the Backyard Boyer's 100-pound crossbow stirrup, except I made it square instead of tapered at the top, because it was going to attach on the side straight. So I added a couple inches. Instead of 22-inch piece, a 3/4 inch pipe, I used 24 inches. And used 6 inches, 6 inches, 6 inches, and then 2 3-inch on the end with a piece of 1 inch to join them on the bottom. Then I got a couple 2-inch, 1/4 inch bolts, a couple wing nuts, hooked on the side. So there you go. You can either use it as a stick in the ground or attach the stirrup to it so that you can move it with your foot. And then, let me show you the other. This is a little bit of heat shrink in a couple places to help it fit a little tighter in here so it doesn't rattle so bad. That's like a rubber coated. The heat shrink is kind of rubbery, kind of soft, so it helps to cushion the fit. And then also, the top, is adjustable. So, sorry about the poor quality of the video. There you have it. 2 different designs of monopod gun prop made from PVC pipe. Thanks for watching. Dennis signing out.